We're in a technological era where kids are easily influenced, and their identity is whatever they see on their cellular devices. But for us as kids of culture, people of culture rooted in faith and community, it was important for me to remind them that your identity is not rooted in what you see from the outside world. It is right here within your community. And we are so lucky and we are so blessed that we have a language and a culture to walk alongside, because a lot of people don't have that. A lot of kids don't have that in America. A lot of kids don't have that in Western societies. They don't have that. So what happens is, I from my observation, they will grab onto whatever that is around them and whatever they see, because they don't have a fascino manga. Ele se fascino manga.